Oxford Star is an assessment solution intended to help students, teachers, parents, and the school administrators profile student personality, scholastic ability, and 21st century competencies and skills in a graded manner. Oxford Star empowers teachers and school administrators to tune the teaching learning processes with the help of a deep and flexible reporting system. Oxford Star has the following subjects on offer: English, Mathematics, Science, Personal and Social Competence. It is meant for students of class 5 to 8. The test can be taken either online or through pen and paper mode. Let us see why and how Oxford Star is different. Oxford Star is based on the Oxford Star Competency Framework, holistic in nature and can be applied to all levels of education and varied subjects. Encompasses the domains of learning and development. Mapped to the revised adaptation of cognitive taxonomy redefined by Anderson and Krathwohl in 2000 and 2001. Aligned to NCF 21st Century Skills and Behavioral Competencies. Defines a set of core interconnected competencies in a structured form. Each competency is further described by a set of skills and sub-skills that indicate the natural thinking progression of individuals. Includes over 50 competencies and skills, extensively researched and validated. This framework is constructed by a galaxy of stars, doctorates, educationists, experienced practitioners and reviewed and validated by expert committee set up by the SNDT Women's University. Items are tagged to the competencies and sub-competencies defined in the framework and topics, learning outcomes, difficulty levels and learning levels. Rigorously benchmarked, the items are calibrated through item response theory. Rich analytical and visual reports for students, parents, teachers and principals. After completion of the test, students will receive a comprehensive report which will give them a detailed breakup of how they have performed in the test. The report will not only mention the overall scores by subjects, competencies and difficulty level, but will also individually mention the subject scores, competency scores and level-based scores. The detailed visual report will help to understand what, where and which areas the child needs improvement. The report will provide detailed outline of subjects, competencies including behavioral difficulty levels and learning orientation. The report will be available in both print and web formats with national benchmarks, interclass and intra-class comparisons. Oxford Star also comes with an online reporting tool. It can be used to generate reports of the test. This will help in monitoring the students' progress and provide support to teachers. Reports will showcase 3 views of performance: subject-based, competency-based, and difficulty level-based. Personality profiling will showcase the learning orientation of each student along with mapping to behavioral competencies. Reports will also include competency-based remedial measures for effective learning. STAR Index is a weighted average of subjects, competencies, and difficulty level scores. A badge in any of the subject depicts that a child has scored more than the national average in these areas. Help your child to become a star. For further details, contact us.